At Mullen Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, February 17, 2023, BlackRock just upped its bet on Mullen Automotive stock. In total, 131 13F filers own shares of Mullen stock. BlackRock reported adding 137,059 shares of Mullen Automotive during the fourth quarter. Alt Alliance is the largest shareholder of the electric vehicle company. Mullen stock is down about 16% year to date. The deadline for institutional investors to file a quarterly update has passed, giving investors a full view of 13F holdings as of December 31st. Now, a major institutional investor has disclosed purchasing more shares of Mullen Automotive, Nasdaq MULN, stock during the fourth quarter. BlackRock now owns a total of 26.42 million shares of Mullen stock. The multinational financial firm last reported owning 26.28 million shares as of third quarter, which means it purchased 137,059 shares during fourth quarter. After the purchase, BlackRock is now the fourth largest shareholder of Mullen. At the same time, Mullen is BlackRock's 3,528th largest position with a less than 0.01% portfolio allocation. In other words, Mullen is a tiny bet that carries little to no risk for the firm. BlackRock wasn't the only institution that upped its stake in Mullen. Alt Alliance reported owning 71.96 million shares as of fourth quarter, up from its last reported position of 2.41 million shares. The purchase cements Alt as the largest shareholder of the electric vehicle company. BlackRock increases Mullen stake. During fourth quarter, 13F filers in aggregate increased their ownership in Mullen stock. Total 13F shares owned increased to 109.97 million, compared to 83.31 million last quarter. On top of that, 131 filers have disclosed stakes in the company, up from 99 filers last quarter. Shareholders of Mullen should also be pleased to hear that the institutional put-to-call ratio sits at a low 0.46, which actually increased from 0.44. That's equivalent to 4.58 million puts and 10.04 million calls, implying a bullish option stance. However, 2023 has not been very kind to Mullen stock. Shares are down about 16% year to date, which has been attributed to a poor fourth quarter earnings report and its announcement of the resale of up to 2.49 billion shares. As of December 31st, there were 1.36 billion shares of Mullen outstanding. That means the resale share count is almost double outstanding shares, spelling dilution for existing shareholders. Meanwhile, Mullen is nowhere near close to being profitable. In a high interest rate environment, profitability is especially scrutinized due to a higher discount rate. For the 3 months ended December 31st, Mullen reported a net loss before accrued preferred dividends and non-controlling interest of $378.46 million. That widened from a loss of $156.06 million during the same time last year. Thanks for watching. Mullen Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.